is how to sign into the Upstate CREIA, which is the Upstate Carolina Real Estate Investors Association in Greenville. So you go in and you sign in. Let's see here. Provide you with the login and password. It's my email address, and then I'll get you the password. Okay, so you're in there. You go to my account, my website, and let's see, my properties. And you're gonna, it's real simple, you're gonna add new property, and then you're gonna take the information from the marketing sheet on the Google Doc, and you're gonna, excuse me, you're basically gonna plug it in here. All this information here, you can use the headline that you use for the subject email, the property description, and then if there's a YouTube video or something, I think we can add that, or we could put a link to it in the property description. Let's see, and I think once that's done, you click save, and that property it'll take you to a page where you can add photographs. So let's just try one here. Let me just put in, let's see. Let's just put in here, 72,000, total price, 14. Oh, that's nice. It automatically uploads. Get property details from Zillow. That's nice. You put that in there like that. And then property style, that's a 1-story. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 ranch. It actually fills some of this stuff in from Zillow, which is nice. And basement style, I think it's a partial basement, if I'm not mistaken. No garage, carport, no garage, okay? And then you can put in, I don't have the marketing sheet in front of me here, so I'm just gonna do a test. And actually, all right. Buy, hold, or flip. And then property description, great ranch, within walking distance, blah, 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 to Swamp Rabbit. I'm just gonna put that in there like that, then save. Let's see what happens here. It's kind of waiting. Then we can add photos. So you can select files from your computer, or you can drop the folder there. Let's do this. Let's go into our team folder. Pictures, Greenville, Delta. And let's just drop them all in. What do we say here? Item limit is 1. What? Okay. Looks like there's only 1 picture we're allowed to have for now. So in that case, if we're only allowed to have 1 picture, then it would probably be good. I see you can only add them 1 at a time. Well, that's kind of a bummer, isn't it? And it looks like you've got 5 pictures, so you have to choose carefully your favorite 5. But, you know, I try to choose one that'll show off the hardwood floors. And usually a kitchen picture. Drop that one in. The second kitchen picture kind of gives an idea of the house. And one more. I'm not going to be too picky here, just for this demonstration. And that's it. You get 5 pictures, so I'm going to hit save. Then, let's see, photos must be with the following types. 640 by 480 are recommended. So let's do this. Let's leave it where it is for now and see if those photos will stick, okay? Asks, do you approve decline cooperative marketing? We want to approve that. let's see. So let's go to the administrative tab. Listing is available. Extend publish date. That's nice. So you can put it out as far as you want. And then created, great. And then on here, you just put your initials. You can just sign my initials, and then co-marketing agreement. You type in I agree. Also automatically allow for all my properties, but you allow your properties to be co-marketed. Yes, we want that. We definitely want that to be co-marketed. And then we can actually put this on Zillow and CREIA as well. And in this particular case, I would say leave that open and have that go. I don't want to exclude it from Zillow and CREIA, so we'll just leave it there. And then one thing that you want to make sure is in the comments that you put in, a link to our website as well. Let me look here, and then if you have an open house or an inspection, you can put an inspection on there. And co-marketers, let's see, no, okay, I'm not sure exactly what that is, but there it is. And this case, because it's Delta and we already have it under contract, I am going to check that box, but in the future, we would obviously leave that box unchecked, and then we're going to click Save. And there it is. Okay. Now, the only thing I need to change here is this contact information. We want that to be the cash buyer number, but that automatically loads. You don't need to worry about that. So there you go. Everything is good there. And that's how you do it on the Upstate CREIA. And that's one of the things that you add to, this goes out to a ton of investors. So this is a good one to have. All right. Okay, that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions.